Have you left your humidifier on all winter and not looked inside? Well, the truth might scare you. This is what my humidifier looked like after running it almost 24/7. This video will show you how to really deep clean your humidifier at the end of the season to make it look brand new. These are the products that you will need. Step number 1. Fill your bathtub or a large bowl with warm water. Step number 2. Add half a cup of powdered Tide and 1 cup of bleach. A lot of tutorials require vinegar, but make sure you're not mixing the vinegar with bleach. Step number 3. Carefully examine and remove all the parts of your humidifier, including the nozzle which directs the airflow. The best humidifier, in my opinion, is the one that you can always clean the easiest. Soak these parts for about 30 minutes. To clean off the buildup in the mold, you'll need a toothbrush. Remove what you can with the soft bristles, and once that no longer works, turn your toothbrush around and use the hard plastic part to scrub off the remaining buildup. With some patience, it should all come off. You can use some warm water and soap here as well. You can use the water, Tide, and bleach mixture here too, but just be sure to avoid any metal parts and the areas that are marked. Be creative with hard-to-reach areas. I'm using the back of a fork to reach inside this hole. Rinse thoroughly with water once you're satisfied with the results of the cleaning. Make sure to dry all the parts before reassembling. The best way to keep your humidifier clean is definitely by regular cleaning. And after going through this experience, I'll definitely clean it more regularly next winter. You really don't want to be breathing in all that mold. I hope you found this video helpful.